Hey everybody, it's Dave with Tile and Grout to Smile About. Today I'm over at my neighbor's house and came over and he said, Dave, you know, I just want you to kind of like do my entryway, the tile there. Can you do that? I said, sure, man, no problem. How can I help you with that? And he goes, well, I don't want to waste your time, you know, bringing your truck over and setting everything up and all that stuff you gotta do. I've seen how you do it. And it's like, you know, kind of a pain in the butt to watch you do that and stuff. Just to clean up a little area. I said, no problem, man. Let me show you why. I'm in my driveway right now, my home, and my hose is here. And I'm gonna go and take it all the way out to there. Yep, I got a long hose. Powerful system. All you apartment, condo people live on your second and third floors, by your waterfront properties and all those difficult places, I can handle all that for you. Give me a call.